Hello and welcome back to Anglais NOW. So here you go. So today's lesson is very important. Leçon aujourd'hui elle est très important. Have you ever wanted to talk about money but you don't know exactly how to say it? You don't know how to start, you don't know where to start or what to say? Okay, so today this is what we're gonna say today. Maybe you want to say something like I don't have money. Would you mind you want to say this is too expensive? Ça trop cher. Would you mind you want to say I need to save money? Moi besoin say l'argent. But you're not sure how to say that. Ou pas encore pour dire ça. So don't worry because today we're going to talk about simple, useful sentences that you can use to talk about money every day. And remember, this is not a lesson. This is just practice, something you need every day, all right? So we're going to start. But remember that money is something that we talk about every day. L'argent, c'est un bagage qui nous parle sur lui chaque jour, every single day, chaque jour, all right? So it's very practical. It's something that everybody needs. Tout le monde besoin parler de l'argent, all right? So listen to the sentence. This sentence, okay? See him do. I have money. I have money. So I have money means moi gagne l'argent. Moi gagne l'argent. I have money. Moi gagne l'argent. Very simple. Repeat after me. I have money. I have money. Good. Say it again. Say it again. I have money. I have money. Now, let me explain it to you. When you say I have money, it means that moi gagner l'argent. Moi gagner. I have means moi gagner. Si quelqu'un dit I have money, il veut dire que moi gagner l'argent. Okay? So, moi gagner l'argent, say I have money. So, let's change the sentence a little bit. Let's change the sentence a bit. Si quelqu'un dit I don't have money. I don't have money means that moi pas gagner l'argent. Okay? Repeat after me. I don't have money. I don't have money. Say it again. Say it again. I don't have money. This means that moi pas gagner l'argent. Moi pas gagner l'argent. So let me ask you something. If someone invites you to go out, si on invite pour que sorti, but you don't have money, mais ou pas gagner l'argent, what can you say? Qu'est-ce qu'on dit? Eh bien, on doit dire, sorry, I don't have money right now. Sorry, I don't have money right now. Okay? So let's look at real situation. On regarde une situation qui fait. You go to a store, ou aller dans un magasin, ou bien un market, you see something you like, ou un bagay qui ou aimé, right? But the price is very high, mais prix à trop haut. You can say, this is too expensive, ou bien this is expensive, ça trop cher. This is expensive, ça cher. Répétez après moi. This is expensive. This is expensive. But if the price is okay, si prix à lui-même li okay, qu'on y a là, ou qu'on doit dire, this is cheap. This is cheap. Si qui prix à lui-même li bas. Si pas trop cher, ou qu'on doit dire, this is cheap. Qui c'est, li pas cher, okay? So, on va une quick explanation. Moi, explique. Expensive lui-même le dit cher. Expensive le dit cher. And cheap lui-même le dit bon marché. Bon marché, okay? So, repeat after me. This is expensive. This is cheap, all right? So, let's try it again. This is expensive. Répétez. This is expensive. Good, all right? Now, say this. This is cheap. This is cheap. One second. This is cheap. This is cheap. Can you say this? This is cheap. Qui c'est ça lui-même? Li bas prix. All right? But let's practice some more. Let's practice some more. Repeat after me. I have money. I have money. Répétez. I have money. Now, let's do the negative, Konyala. I don't have money. I don't have money. Répétez. Qui c'est moi pas gagner l'argent. Good, all right? So, let's practice some more useful sentences. I need money. I need money. Qui c'est moi besoin l'argent. Repeat after me. I need money. Okay? Now, your short explanation, your explication qui est très cool, là qui vous dit need veut dire besoin. Need veut dire besoin. Need veut dire besoin. So, là qui me dit I need money veut dire que moi besoin l'argent. I need money veut dire que moi besoin l'argent. So, very useful. Très, ça, c'est un capable d'utiliser. OK? C'est très important. Right? Mais si je me dis I need money, répétez après moi, I need money. I need money. Good. OK? Bien répété. OK? Now, you can change money to anything you want. Ou ka changer l'argent. Ou ka toujours utiliser I need et ou mettez n'importe bagay derrière. Ou va dire I need food. Qui c'est moi besoin manger. Good. Répétez. I need food. I need food. Moi besoin manger. OK? Ou va dire I need water. I need water. Moi besoin de l'eau. Répétez. I need water. Moi besoin de l'eau. Good. Okay. Let's do one more. We're gonna dire I need to save money. I need to save money. I need to save money. Good. Moi, besoin de serrer l'argent. OK? So, très important, très important. OK? So, on nous voit une petite explication sur ça. Save money veut dire que mettez l'argent en côté. Mettez l'argent en côté. Mettez l'argent sur côté ou bien serrer l'argent. OK? Now, let me say it again. I need to save money. I need to save money. Répétez. I need to save money. Moi, besoin de serrer l'argent. Now, let's test your English. On nous tester anglais qu'on y a là, okay? So, très important. I will give you a sentence, ma bonne phrase. You choose the correct answer. On choisit mot qui correct pour phrase là, okay? Est-ce que vous pouvez? Okay, si je me dis this is, et me trois options là. Me expensive, me hungry, me tired. Qui ça dans trois ça qui doit réponse là? This is, est-ce que me dit this is expensive, this is hungry ou bien this is tired? Eh bien, réponse là c'est expensive. This is expensive. This is expensive, right? This is expensive. Good job. This is expensive. Si que vous expensive, good job. Let's try another one. On nous say yon lot. Si que me do I need, I'm getting money, I'm getting running, I'm getting tall. Money veut dire l'argent. Running veut dire courir, tall veut dire ba qui wo. Est-ce que m'a dit I need tall ou du moins I need running ou du moins I need money? Think about it. Pensez sur ça. Bon, moi, pense ça. Qu'est-ce que ça me doit dire? I need qui ça? Eh bien, je pense que c'est money. Si vous dit money, it is good. Ça que les vrai. C'est que I need money. Moi, besoin l'argent. Very good. You're doing great. On fait bien, okay? Now, let's practice a real conversation. On va pratiquer une conversation qui vrai qu'on y a là. But first, listen, okay? Listen. Okay. Par exemple, il me dit, do you have money? Okay? A pose une question, il dit, do you have money? B répond, il dit, yes, I have some money. Listen encore. Listen again. Do you have money? Yes, I have some money. Est-ce que vous gagnez l'argent? Oui, moi, gagne un l'argent. Yes, I have some money. Do you have money? Yes, I have some money. Now, repeat after me. Repeat after me. Do you have money? Répétez. Do you have money? Do you have money? Okay? Répétez. Pour nous dire, yes, I have money. Répétez. Yes, I have some money. Yes, I have some money. Répétez. Yes, I have some money. Very good. Very good. Now, let's do another one. Let's do another one now. Okay, we're gonna do another one. Okay, do you have money? We're gonna dire no, I don't have money right now. Ça c'est une autre question. Okay, we're gonna dire no, I don't have money right now. Non, moi pas gagner l'argent qu'on y a là. Do you have money? No, I don't have money right now. Répétez après moi. Do you have money? No, I don't have money right now. So say it out loud. Dis bien fort. Okay, so. In the conversation, nous te lui-même, à lui-même te demandé question, il dit que do you have money? Bah ouais, il te pose la question do you have money? Et puis, elle lui-même il te répond, il dit yes, I have. Bill te répond, il dit yes, I have some money. Oui, moi te gagné quelques l'argent. Bah ouais. All right. So, do you have money? Vous allez répondre, dit yes, I have money. Okay? Yes, I have money. All right. So, très simple, très important, très important. Okay? So, now, guys, we're gonna review some more. We're gonna do some revision, okay? Ou bien gonna do no, I don't have money too. Si you no, I don't have money right now, okay? No, I don't have money right now. Okay, now let's review together. Let's review what we learned today. On revise ça Aprann jeudi. Today we learned how to say, jeudi nous t'ai appris comment pour dire I have money. Moi gagne l'argent. Nous t'ai appris comment pour dire I don't have money. Moi pas gagner l'argent. Répétez, I don't have money. Moi pas gagner l'argent. Répétez après moi. Répétez après moi. Nous t'ai appris I need money. I need money. Moi besoin l'argent. Répétez après moi. I need money. Moi I need money. I need money. Moi besoin l'argent. Okay? This is expensive. Répétez. This is expensive. Ça les cher. Répétez après moi. This is expensive. Ça les cher. Okay? This is cheap. Ça li bas prix. This is cheap. Ça li bas prix. This is cheap. Ça li bas prix. I need to save money. Répétez. I need to save money. I need to save money. Moi besoin de l'argent. I need to save money. Moi besoin de l'argent. Okay? So these are very very useful and important sentences for real life. Ça c'est phrase qui est important que vous pouvez utiliser dans votre vie. Okay? So now here's your challenge. Today, I want you to say at least 3 of these sentences out loud during the day. Donc, toutefois, ça nous apprend jeudi, moi, je voulais pour dire 3 nan yo bien fort pour contour. Bien fort pour contour. So, n'importe quoi tu là, caillou dans travail, wherever you might be, I want you to repeat these sentences by yourself. Okay? I want you to say them out loud. Okay? So, ou pratiquer. Okay? Ou songer. Si vous oubliez, tournez à regarder vidéo encore. Video est très court. This is a short video, so go back and watch it again. Regardez encore. Et révisez for yourself because these are some sentences, some things that you can use every day in everyday conversations with your friends, at work, wherever you might be. All right. So you need these sentences to speak English. Révisez for yourself, okay? Ou parler anglais. So if you enjoy this lesson, si que vous vraiment enjoy leçon ça, mes amis, I want you to take a second. I want you to like it. I want you to like the video. And I want you to hit the subscribe button. OK? Pesez bouton like là, pesez bouton abonné là. OK? C'est meilleure façon pour que vous the channel agrandi. OK? Thank you so much, guys. So little by little, tika pa tika, your English will improve every day. Your English will improve every day, little by little. Tika pa tika. And I'll see you in the next lesson. So, c'est ça que pour faire. Prends un second pour que vous abonnez. Prends un second pour que vous pesez le bouton like là, qu'on y a la même. Pesez pour ça. Qu'on y a la même. Et puis, pas oublier pour que vous entrez sur le groupe WhatsApp. Là, je vais mettre le lien dans la description vidéo. Ça. Entrez sur le pour continuer à pratiquer avec l'autre élève. Okay? Moi, pas sur le chaque jour, mais au cas où un message pratiquer. Ou besoin de pratiquer. Là, you need to practice. Right? And then, cliquez sur une deux vidéos ça, qui sont là pour que vous continuez à apprendre anglais avec Teacher J sur Anglais Now. So, thank you so much, guys. And I'll see you soon. Bye bye.